Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to choose Bluetooth over here and tap on the switcher next to Bluetooth feature to activate it. Following that, you need to wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this Redmi. Now tap on Pair in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, the other device just accepted my connection request, so my devices are now successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can always do that by clicking on this little icon next to the device and selecting Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!